Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Juliani. My name 180503019. I am from North Sumatra University, Faculty of Economy and Business, Accounting major. I will present about chapter 3, that is Dokumentation Teknik System. Documentation is a narration, flowcharts, diagrams, and other written material that explain how the system works. Narrative description is a written, step-by-step explanation of the system components and the interaction of all of them. Next, documentation tools. Number 1. Data flow diagrams or DAD. DAD is a graphical description of data source, transformation processes, data stores, and destination data. Number 2. Flowchart. Flowchart, which is a graphical description of the system. Several types of flowcharts including number 1. Document flowchart. Document flowcharts used for show the flow of documents and information between departments or areas of responsibility. Number 2. System flowchart. System flowchart used for show the relationship between input, processing, and output of information system. Number 3. Program flowchart. Program flowchart used for show the logical sequence of operation of the computer running the program. There are 3 document tools. Business process diagrams is a graphical description and business processes used by companies. Next, data flow diagram. Data flow diagram is a graphical explanation of the data flow in an organization, including source or destination data, data flow, transformation process, and data storage. Data source and data destination are entities that send or receive data that is used to be generated by the system. An entity can be a source or destination. Next, this is a data flow diagram symbol. Symbol number 1, symbol and purpose of data, and symbol 2, symbol data flow, and symbol 3, symbol the transformation process, symbol 4, symbol data storage, and symbol 5, symbol internal storage. Next, data flow is the movement of data between processes, storage, source, and destination. Data that passes between data storage and source or destination must go through a data transformation process. The data flow is labeled to show what data is flowing. The only exception is having to data between process and data storage, such as data flow. Process is represented data transformation. Data storage is where data is stored. DAD does not include the physical storage media or such as providers or paper used to store data. Next, this is a context diagram. Highest DAD level review the system summary level, showing the data processing system, its input and output, and their source and objective. Following is the context diagram for processing SNS file. We can see this is in context diagram. Next, flowchart. Flowchart is a Flowchart is a factorial analytical technique used to explain some aspects of an information system clearly, essentially, and logically. The flowchart records the business processes carried out and the way documents flow through the organization. Flowcharts are also used to analyze ways to improve business process and document flow. The flowchart is drawn using software programs such as Visio, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. The flowchart uses standard symbols to explain the description of the transaction reporting system procedure used by company and the flow of data through the system. The flowchart symbol is divided in 4 symbols. Symbol number 1, input or output symbol. Input or output symbol used for show input to or output from the system. Symbol number 2, processing symbol. Processing symbol used for show data processing, either electronical or by hand. Number 3, symbol strike symbol. Symbol strike symbol used for indicate where the data is stored. Number 4, current and order symbol. Current and order symbol used for show the data flow, where the flow chart begins and ends. Decisions are made and how to add explanatory notes to the flowchart. Next, this is a symbol also in the following picture. Type of flowchart. Type of flowchart number 1, the document flowchart. Document flowchart is the flow path to illustrate the flow of document and data between areas of responsibility within the organization. This chart illustrates the document from beginning to end, showing each document begins, distribution, purpose, disposition, and everything happens as it flows through the system. Type number 2, internal control flowchart. Internal control flowchart is used to explain, analyze, and evaluate internal control. The chart is used to identify system weaknesses, such as inadequate communication flow, inadequate segregation of tasks, and unnecessary complexity in document flow. Next, type number 2, system flowchart. System flowchart is describes the relationship between input, processing, stock, and output system. Type number 4, program flowchart. Program flowchart is an illustrative sequence of logical operations performed by a computer in executing a program. The program flowchart explains the special logic used to perform the process shown on the system flowchart. Next, this is a system flowchart and program flowchart. Business process diagram. Business process diagram, or BPD, is a visual way to explain the steps or activities in a business process. For example, accepting orders, checking customer credit, verifying inventory availability, and confirming the status of customer orders. All my presentation hopefully can increase the knowledge of finance. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.